bet you've never had corn like this. You won't believe this was made in the air fryer. Place your corn on the cob into the air fryer basket and then air fry at 190 degrees Celsius for about 20 minutes. Don't forget to flip them halfway. You can flip them by hand, but be careful because they'll be a little bit hot, or you can use a pair of tongs. Once it's done, it will look something like this, nice and crispy on the outside and moist in the middle. You can coat it with some melted butter with some salt and paprika, or you can make it better. We like to make ours slightly different, so first of all we're going to use a knife to cut the corn off the cob. Then place the corn into a large bowl. Top with some freshly squeezed lime juice. Then add some crumbled feta. This is a bit different to your usual corn, but just trust the process and I promise it tastes so good. To finish things off, we're going to add a little bit of paprika and then some fresh parsley. Barbecue corn done in the air fryer with the most delicious topping. Who wouldn't want to have this? For more air fryer recipes like this, don't forget to check out our other videos.